You've been lied to about joint pain. It's not just getting older, it's your body screaming, "Help!" If your knees, shoulders, or back hurt every day, that's not aging. That's inflammation, and it's completely fixable. In this video, we're going to break down what's really causing your joint pain and how to fix it naturally, with zero meds, zero surgery, and zero BS. If you move like you're 80 but you're not even close, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat, how to move, and how to recover to feel 10 years younger without painkillers. Let's get into it. Let me start by saying something loud and clear. Your joints are not supposed to hurt. Pain is not a normal part of life. Pain is a signal, a flashing red light on your body's dashboard. If you've been brushing it off like, just old age, no, that's the lie we've been sold. Because joint pain doesn't just randomly show up. It's the end result of years of poor movement, chronic inflammation, and terrible recovery habits. Think about it. Humans were designed to move. To walk, squat, crawl, jump, climb, lift. We weren't designed to sit at a desk 10 hours a day, eat out of boxes, and recover with 3 hours of sleep and 5 cups of coffee. And when your joints ache, it's not because you're past your prime. It's because your body is inflamed, your movement is off, and your recovery is wrecked. Let's unpack what's actually going wrong, and more importantly, how to fix it. Modern life is absolutely trashing your joints. Let's be honest. Most people wake up, sit in a car, sit at a desk, sit at home, and then crash into bed. That's almost zero movement. And the little movement they do get? It's often done with poor posture, tight muscles, and no warm-up. Add in ultra-processed food, sugar overload, chronic stress, and no time for recovery. And boom, your joints are paying the price. It's not just about aging, it's the lifestyle. Here are the real culprits. Sitting all day, tight hips, weak glutes, seed oils and sugar, chronic inflammation, weak posterior chain, poor spinal support, no mobility work, joints stiffen, high stress and poor sleep, no recovery. But here's the good news, you don't need surgery. You need a reset. Let's talk food first, because your plate might be your biggest enemy. If you're eating the wrong foods, your joints will suffer, period. Let's keep it simple. Inflamed gut is inflamed joints. That's not some wellness woo-woo, that's biology. Studies show that what you eat can directly trigger your immune system, releasing inflammatory markers that attack your joints. So if your breakfast, lunch, and dinner look like seed oils, canola, soybean, sunflower, sugar bombs, cereal, soda, processed snacks, processed grains, white bread, pasta, fast food, trans fats, fried everything, you're not just feeding yourself. You're feeding the fire that's burning your joints from the inside out. Cut that out and give your body what it actually needs to heal. Here's what to eat instead to rebuild healthy, pain-free joints. Your joints need nutrients. Not just calories, real nutrients. Try adding these into your daily diet. Bone broth, rich in collagen, gelatin, and amino acids that repair joint tissue. Sardines, loaded with omega-3s, calcium, and vitamin D. Joint gold. Grass-fed liver, packed with vitamin A, copper, and CoQ10. Nutrient-dense AF. Pastured eggs, high in sulfur and choline, both critical for cartilage. Wild-caught salmon, anti-inflammatory fats that calm joint pain. Think of food like medicine, but better, because it actually tastes good and heals your body. And remember, you aren't what you eat, you're what you absorb. If your gut is inflamed, you're not absorbing anything properly. So clean it up and let your body do what it was designed to do, repair and rebuild. Now let's talk movement, because strong joints come from strong, smart movement. If you want pain-free joints, lifting weights is good, but it's not enough. You need movement variety. Here's what bulletproofs your joints. Deep squats. Full range is full function. Hip mobility drills. Think 90-90s, pigeon pose, banded stretches, loaded carries. Farmer's walks build grip and core stability. Crawling. Yes, like a baby. Works the shoulders, spine, and hips walking. 10K steps a day is free therapy for your body. You don't need to be a gym rat, but you do need to move like a human, not a chair. The more you move, the better your joints feel. But there's a catch. If you skip recovery, you're wasting your effort. Recovery is where real healing happens. Here's the thing, you don't grow in the gym. You grow when you rest. But most people treat recovery like a luxury, not a necessity. Let me make it simple. If you're not doing the following, you're not recovering, and your joints are paying the price. 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Deep sleep equals cellular repair. Cold exposure, like cold showers or ice baths, equals reduced inflammation. Magnesium and electrolytes for nerve and muscle health. Infrared sauna, detox and boosts circulation. Gentle stretching, lubricates joints and reduces stiffness. You can crush workouts all day, but if your recovery is trash, your body stays inflamed. And guess where inflammation loves to hang out? Your joints. Treat recovery like training. It matters that much. Let's clear the air on supplements. Are they magic? Nope. But do they help? Absolutely. Don't waste your money on random pills with shiny labels. Here are the only ones actually worth your time. Collagen peptides, especially type 2 for joint-specific repair, MSM and glucosamine, shown in studies to improve joint mobility. Omega-3 from fish, not from seed oil capsules. Go for high-quality fish oil. Boron helps with calcium and magnesium absorption, supports joint function. Curcumin from turmeric, one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory. Again, these aren't magic bullets, but stacked on top of real food, smart training, and solid recovery, they work. Supplements supplement your lifestyle. They don't replace it. Now here's what most people get totally wrong. They blame the movement, not their body's foundation. My knees hurt when I run. I guess I can't run anymore. Wrong. It's not the run. It's your lack of ankle mobility, tight hips, weak glutes, or bad form. My shoulders hurt when I lift weights. I'm just too old for this. Nope. It's not the weight. It's your posture, lack of warm-up, or missing rotator cuff strength. Don't stop moving. Fix the root issue. Motion isn't the problem. It's broken mechanics, inflammation, and weak recovery. And the worst thing you can do? Avoid movement altogether. Avoidance leads to atrophy. When you stop moving because of pain, your muscles shrink, your joints stiffen, and your brain forgets how to move well. Here's the fix. Move daily. Move with intention. Move through pain-free ranges. Build strength where you're weak. Build mobility where you're tight. Movement is medicine. Take your dose every day. Look, you weren't built to creak, crack, and crumble. You were built to move with strength, power, and grace. You were built to run, jump, lift, bend, twist, climb, stretch, and squat. But it won't happen by accident. You have to train it. You have to feed it. You have to recover it. Your joints are not broken. They're just asking for your help. Listen to them, and then show them what's possible. Your future self, the one dancing at 90, hiking at 70, lifting at 60, will thank you. Now go watch the next video and keep upgrading your life.